there, I'm Gautam, a technical account manager at the AWS office in Seattle. Today I'll show you how to use Amazon Virtual Private Cloud flow logs to verify that your traffic mirroring data is reaching the destination instance. Let's get started. First, make sure that you have a source instance set up for traffic mirroring, as well as a destination instance with UDP listeners activated. In this demonstration, I'll be using ICMP packets for traffic mirroring, but traffic mirroring also supports TCP and UDP traffic. On the AWS Management Console, navigate to the Amazon VPC console. In the navigation pane, choose Traffic Mirroring and then choose Mirroring Sessions. Here we have an existing mirroring session that I already created with the source and destination instances configured. To monitor the traffic mirroring data, we'll use VPC flow logs. Note that flow logs have some limitations. They only sample data rather than performing full packet capture, and they only log metadata, not packet contents. Also, Amazon VPC captures traffic mirroring data in the VPC flow logs only on the destination network interface or network load balancer and not at the source where it originates. To create a flow log, open the VPC console. In the navigation pane, choose your VPCs. Select the VPC that contains your source and destination instances. Choose flow logs and then choose create flow logs. Under destination, select send to CloudWatch logs. Under destination log group, select AWS VPC flow logs. Under service role, select flow log role. Then choose create flow log. After you create the flow log, you can query it in the Amazon CloudWatch logs to view the traffic mirroring data. From the AWS Management Console, navigate to the CloudWatch console. In the navigation pane, choose logs and then choose log insights. Select the flow log group that you created. Run the query to search for log messages that show UDP traffic to the traffic mirroring target on port 4789. Mirror traffic is encapsulated in VXLAN packets that use UDP port 4789 and then routed to the mirror target. The output shows traffic mirroring session entries that have UDP packets with the destination port 4789. The packets arrive at the destination Elastic Network Interface 10.2.1.17 from the mirror source 10.2.1.193. If you're using an Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud instance as the destination, then you can use TCP Dump on the destination instance. From the AWS Management Console, navigate to the Amazon EC2 console. In the navigation pane, choose Instances. Select the destination instance and then choose Connect. Under EC2 Instance Connect, select Connecting using public IP and then choose Connect. Run the TCP command to capture traffic between the source and the destination instances. The output confirms that the destination network interface received the traffic mirroring data from the source where it originates. For your application to process the mirrored data, it needs to be able to de-encapsulate the VXLAN packets and extract the original packet payloads. You might need to change the listening port or perform additional processing. Thanks for watching and happy cloud computing from all of us here at AWS.